On Quora, just come here and find a question. For example, this question. Just copy the question. Just copy the question like this, and go to ChatGTP. ChatGTP open9 chat.openai.com, and paste the question. The ChatGTP will write everything or answer for us. Let's wait. Yes, as you see, ChatGTP write everything for us. Write everything for us. Now, what is needed? Just copy the article. After copying the article, just back to Quora and answer the question. And answer the question like this. Answer the question. Answer the, just paste the article you copy from ChatGTP. Yes, like this, paste here. Yes, but remember at the end of this post, make sure you put your affiliate links. Come here and actually take your affiliate link. This is my affiliate links. Now copy it. Yes, copy it, and come here and paste here at the end. Yes, at the end. In this way, most of the people who read your answer will see your link and they can post, they can click, and this is how you can get customer to your affiliate link. Thank you. And then post.